BomberMan.
One of our followers sent us the personal computer that it is very old one, it's not working, or maybe still working, who knows. And let's check it closer, let's check it from the inside, how it looks like. But his request was that we would destroy this personal computer and he would see how it will be exploded.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Well, sometimes it happens that it doesn't work so well. So from the very beginning, we didn't see maybe exact the first seconds of explosion. So I will try to slow down the very beginning of explosion and you will see it much better. Here we're back after explosion, yes, and here we have all the results what we guys are doing here. So that's why this is the main focus what we have to do tonight, and we have give you all the measurements and numbers. So today we had a very good option, we had a very good request from you guys, and actually this was from our main fan, our biggest fan from Greece, from Off Town in Corfu Island. Off Town is the biggest restaurant out there on the mountain view, and he gave us this request. He gave us this request to explode the personal computer. I know that personal computer came back from his office, from his home. I don't know why, but he know that that computer was struggling, it was lagging and everything, so it was full of many trouble. So he shipped us this personal computer to destroy it. So in the end we have it, all the numbers and everything out here. So what we see and what do we have here? So 180 kilograms of the explosion power. So you can imagine 180 kilograms out there was pushing down to the ground, that our very stable ground was pushing it up to the air, and it was sound like to 109 decibels. So you can imagine nobody can sound about this, just only this explosion was sounding like this, 109 decibels. So it's a very good option, it's a very good measurement, and it was used to, as you see, 2 kilojoules. It was very powerful power. So oh my god, nobody can imagine, and as you see, 180 kilograms was used, let's say, but it was felt to the ground with a big sound volume. So here we come back again.
MIG BomberMan.